get small money, me safe go jayo. Champagne and a CEO. When I get small money, me safe go Tori Pecon. Yamale, I see you. King Solomon, don't feel do past me. King Solomon, I go do past you. Yeah, I go jayo past you. Spend my money, I go jayo. When I day, I dey do mathematics. You they speak big English. When I day, I dey hustle my small thing. You they I dey lose false body. When I get this, my mind.
Hi guys, welcome back to another beautiful vlog. My name is Ola. If it's your first time coming across my channel, you're welcome. I love you guys so much. Please hit the subscribe button, like, share and comment. And if you are returning, thank you so much for always coming back. I love you guys for your support. I love you with my heart. Thank you for always coming back as a returning. Please don't forget to like, share and also comment. Ask me questions now in the comment section, please. Let's engage, let's talk. So today, this vlog is just going to be about a day in my life. I'm going to show you guys some activities of how I spend my day. I'm not just waking up. Yeah, I've been up and I've done the important thing, which is praying and some other stuff. Then I remember that I've not done my intro. I decided to come and do the intro now before proceeding with my day. So yeah, this is the intro. For breakfast, we'll be having fried plantain and pap. When I was coming from Nigeria, I actually bought powdered pap and I've not tried it since it arrived Cape Town, so I'm just going to be doing it today. Now come with me. Guys, I just got the package. Yeah, I'm going out. I have to take our outing clothes to the laundry. After taking the outing clothes to the laundry, I have to send some items down to Nigeria. So after the laundry, I will go to the DHL to send the stuff to Nigeria. Yes, the breakfast I ate, I did not enjoy it because the pap was tasting so weird. And I don't know, maybe because it's powdered pap, but I really did not take the pap, and I don't think I'm going to take the pap ever again because it's not nice. I only ate few plantains. The play, the play. This is mine. Imagine me driving in Nigeria. So guys, I'm back, and guys, I drove for the first time in Cape Town. When coming back, I just told my hubby that, baby, you know what, let me just drive inside the estate. Let me just drive in, because I'm a good driver in Nigeria, but you know, Nigerian roads and Nigerian steering position is different from Cape Town on here. I was like, anyways, driving is driving, let me just drive the little around the estate and see how good I am doing here in Cape Town. But normally I'm going to enroll for a driving school. The road is just opposite and I'm not used to it. Even sometimes when my husband is driving, I used to tell him, babes, you're on the wrong lane, you know, that kind of thing. I'm not really used to it. The only difference is that the roads, because even when I was driving inside the estate, I was confused on what lane to stay, because in Nigeria definitely I would stay this way, but here you have to stay left. In Nigeria you have to stay right, but this place you have to stay left. The difference is not much. My driving skill is still perfect, so yeah, I did good. Okay, so I'm just going to carry on with my day. I have to edit video, I have to study, and I have to write my journal. Yeah, I started writing on my journal lately, and I noticed that since I started writing on my journal, it's really helping me to relieve stress. It's really helping me to express my emotion and everything. So yeah, after that, I've already eaten. I ate wraps and this smoothie I got because I was hungry. I had to eat it inside the car. Yeah, but my sugar baby, I haven't had his lunch yet, so I'm just going to also prepare the party jollof rice for him so that he can eat party jollof rice and plantain for lunch. Yeah, so let's start something. Feels so good. Anytime I write down on this my pretty journal, I always feel so good afterwards. So I'm just going to make lunch for my sugar baby. I will be making Nigerian Party Jollof Rice, and I'll be showing you guys detailed video on how to make the Nigerian Party Jollof Rice. Try this recipe and you thank me later. Yeah, so after making the Party Jollof Rice for him, I think his friend will be coming over also. So yeah, let's just go.
Il y a le thé aussi récent.
So guys, we've gotten the diffuser. Done. Guys, I just want to go for a walk around the estate, and you can't go for a walk without your earpiece or your AirPod. Yeah.
Beautiful kid.
Yeah. Oh boy, this is finished. I love this moisturizer very, very well. This is my favorite. And I have a new one. Slimy. Lovely. My favorite. Oh. So guys, I really had a busy day today and I'm so happy I took you guys along with me. This is the end of the vlog. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I hope you guys love and enjoy watching this vlog as much as I do enjoy filming. Yes, thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and please drop a comment for me. I would really appreciate if you drop a comment, anything at all. Just drop a comment for me. Yeah, bye bye. Love you guys.